I'm gonna watch a bunch of videos online of like professional cutting and then share with you the best tips for home cooking. And then we'll just leave all that other more complicated and difficult stuff to the professionals. My hope with this video is that you will improve your knife technique, and hopefully I will too, at least a little. I received this sick knife from Iron Gull Knives. It's made in Nova Scotia, Canada. I'm so excited to try this out. Okay, first I'm gonna watch a video from Tasty.
You want to make sure that your cutting board is secure. An easy fix is to place a damp paper towel underneath your cutting board. The next important thing is to make sure you're gripping your knife properly. Put your finger and your thumb at the very back of the knife and wrap your fingers around it. That way you have a firm grip.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, this is great. I've never done that. I've always held my knife like this.
Cut it in half first to peel the outer layers, making sure that the root end is still intact.
Okay. The great thing that I'm learning is like that you keep the stump of the onion to stabilize the onion and to protect your fingers.
The next cut we're going to show you is mincing.
Let's be honest, guys. We've all got a mincer, right? A garlic press. This is what I use for my garlic.
Next up is chiffonade.
Chiffonade. Roll it up, slice it up, roll it up, blaze it up, smoke it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna watch julienning.
The next cut we're going to show you is julienne, which is most commonly used with carrots.
I did it completely wrong. I never julienne things. I think this is a julienne. Okay. It's like devastating to me that you're all gonna watch me doing that botch job. What I do when I wanna have like a thin sliced carrot is I use my cheese grater. It's so easy, it takes minutes, and then I just like throw it into a salad. I'm gonna watch something by Joshua Weissman.
Keep seeing these videos online of people using knives and they're holding it all weird and
He's talking about people like me. Yeah, no, this is like what I cannot do.
like that and be cutting like, relax.
Is he like telling himself to relax?
All right, so we need to talk about the claw technique. What you need to do is you need to form your hand into a claw shape like this, and you're just gonna glide along that clawed middle.
No, I didn't know that.
Blade is never
so you actually like touch yourself
straight
with
up
the
and
knife.
down. You will never.
I didn't know that that was safe. When I'm cutting, there's a lack of steadiness, which makes things uneven. So that might help to bring precision to how I'm cutting. Okay, so finally, I'm gonna watch Bruno Albuza.
Cutting a vegetable into fine brunoise or very fine dice, 1.5 millimeter cuts, soak into equally shaped dice. Next, brunoise, a twice bigger cut.
Oh my God,
than
he's like
the fine.
measuring things with a ruler. Like, it's not my style. Sorry, bud. I know that I would never do well in a restaurant with this attitude. Is there anything here that I would use? I mean,
Accent.
Bruno is like, it's like there's like Bruno and then there's like me. The biggest things that I'm going to incorporate are how to hold the knife, actually holding onto the blade rather than just the handle. You have so much more control this way. Keeping the root of the onion is like super key so that you have something to grip onto and you like your fingers are safe and you have something to hold onto as you cut. Holding everything with the claw like so that your fingers are not exposed. Resting your knife against your knuckle for precision. Thank you so much to Tasty, to Joshua, and to Bruno. You guys are the masters, and I'm so glad that I got to learn something from each and every one of you. Also, thank you to Iron Gull for sending me this beautiful new knife. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Let's just forget this video. Like, let's just like let Luna look at the flower.